What's up guys? It is expected that Samsung will unveil more Galaxy A series smartphones for 2022 later this month. The Galaxy A53 was leaked earlier this week and now the first press renders of the Galaxy A73 has been revealed. 91 Mobiles has published press images of the Galaxy A73. The smartphone appears highly similar to the Galaxy A53 and the Galaxy A72 in terms of design. At the front, it has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-display fingerprint reader. At the rear, the device has a quad camera setup. The leak claims that the phone has a 64-megapixel optical image stabilization primary camera, although some leaks claim that it has a 108-megapixel camera, a 12-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. According to the other leaks, the phone will have a telephoto camera instead. The device comes equipped with Snapdragon 778G processor, which is a powerhouse in performance. It is the same chipset that featured in the Galaxy A52's 5G. The Galaxy A73 is expected to feature 6 and 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of internal storage. Other features could include an IP67 rating, stereo speakers, 5G, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. The phone is expected to come powered by a 5000 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging. The Galaxy A53 could launch in multiple colors and carry the same price tag as the Galaxy A72. Samsung already held two Unpacked events this year, but none of them had a Galaxy A smartphone. The A50 and the A70 series usually arrive together, and the next generation is likely to follow suit. Given how often we see leaks, the Galaxy A73 and its smaller sibling Galaxy A53 launch is most likely to happen in the next 3 or 4 weeks. So yeah, let's see what happens in the future. That's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.